I have to take a video of this.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cubra los pequeños. Gracias. As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of the world, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto its a slow world.
But living.
Majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
We're on the way to the entrance. And dahil pagod na kami, we just decided to ride the old train, you know, to bring us back to the entrance.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere. Riding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail and up are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages have
Pero para sa yung sa Mars kasi modern eh, no?
license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come